Welcome, I'm Sharm Brown from the Marine Jones service team, and today we're going to talk about the Raycor fuel filter which is fitted to your boat. Basically, it's an important part. It's the first line defence between your fuel tank and your engines. And what does it do? Well, it traps debris and water. Each year when you bring your boat in for service, your mechanics, they will clean, change filters, and all be done for you. But if you're on your way north, you could pick up some bad fuel, end up with some water. Today I'm going to show you how to identify it, how to remove it and change your filter. You've shut off your fuel supply now, you've got all your tools and you're ready to go. First thing you need to do is get your shifter on the large nut on the bottom, and then with your 14mm spanner, crack the second nut on the bottom here, loosen that off. Once you've done that, you can remove your tools for a moment while it's loose and get your little bucket and get under it. And you'll see I just loosen this nut off, I keep going, and all of a sudden the fuel and the water is going to come out. So here we go. So you can see water coming through there now, and you keep draining and you keep draining, you keep draining, and then you've hit the diesel. That's the moment you put your bung back in. Can be a bit tricky. Okay, so that's back in now. Bit of rag, wipe up obviously. What's the next step? Well, I guess we're going to have to look at the fuel filter. We're set to go now. So just remove the cap from the top here, quite simple. That comes off. Your cap's off. This is the filter. It removes easily. This one's clean. It can have water, debris on it that needs changing. So I'll just discard this one to fit the new one. Basically, get your new filter, slide straight in. You just remove the O-ring here. You remove the T-bar. You're going to need a little pick. Remove this O-ring. Straight out of your packet. Your new O-ring goes on. There. New O-ring goes on like this. And you're done. So this is the important part, what the diesel's for. I'm not going to fill it up now, it's no need. But when you do the job, fill the system right to the very top. Then refit the cap with your O-ring, of course, not falling out. Now the system's primed. It's just a matter, go open the ball valve again, you're right to go. Safe boating, and I'll see you next time.